Uh, when we talk, some people think we don't know what we say. Some people think by talking, we lack what to do. A wise man will always speak because he has something to say, not because he wants to please the masses. I am a Ugandan sound-minded, born when the regime was taking over power. It is quite unfortunate, ni the fountain of honor, Tibahaburwa Kaguta Museveni, who is known as Ojokwe Latek O, because Tibahaburwa means Ojokwe Ileba Choli. Giwaini Ojokwe Bichera Otamarone, man pe leba Choli e right. Kani lep ganawaji ni right. Ngarmo bero Jokwe, bero Latek O, Choli waye Latek O, Changwi Wangot War. It is evident and it is everywhere that Mr. Ojokwe apologized to Ugandans, and he began with apologizing to the people in Buganda for all the wrong things he has done directly and through his agents. This is very good. This is very good. If a president can come out and acknowledge his mistake, it is very good. But how sure are we that he apologized? Or the daughter just forced him to actually repent just to please the people because of the votes he wants. It is again very absurd. Lip. To note that few days after the man repenting, 15 have been arrested in Kitgum. Imagine they're being arrested in church. Geti Orlega. Geti planning, they're planning for prayers. And they are arrested. 15 are arrested. Among the 15, one is a lady. They were arrested. So my question is, Pingo, why did Mr. Tibahaburwa Ojokwe repent or apologize to Ugandans? Why did he do it? If you knew what you did was wrong, what you've been doing in Uganda, the abductions and the killings and the torture, that is in Uganda. Mark Iwiali. Kengi no rajada. Chibe kwayo kija. Bot lulaga. Petichi malik. Tida lira. Chipping order malo tina choli. And it's kind of very unfortunate that the person who commanded that operation is actually from Western Uganda, and the person he used in that operation to lead the operation, he's called Awuyo Darius from Amolata. Awuyo Darius from Amolata. What a go? Ole amane. Imo utamio kwa tema omegini ke megini dushu. That's where you go from mom. Or did you at a right comedian, mom? Yomo e, Kajono to you me get a warning from Joturi. Get any mom? At Amokong in Benang, Chaki Kedamiba. The tit Kedabo or le. Timmy Loka. One langi get actually one Joachel. A rem Maquacum Lao, Quacum actually nang. It will win you. So, ladies and gentlemen, I was talking to this guy in his native language of Leblanc. It is very wrong. The president has just apologized. And no few minutes, Darius Awuyo from Amolata, Assistant Superintendent of Police, accepts La Umo Kong from Western Uganda to command him to go and lead an operation that arrested people from church. People who are praying to their God. Then which God did Museveni apologize to? Ojokwe apologized to which God? Let me tell you, the reason as to why the opposition are increasing every day in Uganda, it is because of the atrocities, the things you people are doing, the torture you're subjecting us to. You think you're only torturing us physically? The ones you've arrested, you've tortured. Us who see the ones who have been tortured, we are psychologically tortured. And it is preparing us mentally to get ready for the torture any day, any time. And that is why most of us have joined the opposition. Everything you're doing is actually pushing us to the opposition. Jimmy Wengo de Timone Ero Wagumerichani, Wando wa Yeo, Piano Nan Migi Kiriki Dilu Kikere, Kiriki Twenyo Kikere, Kiriki Wono Kikere, O Wanda Wine Kiriki Timu Migi Wani, Guinea and a bit oikomo, Mironga Yupe, O Wagumerichano, what you mean, Loga. If you don't want opposition in this Uganda, stop torturing people. Stop torturing people. The 15 who are arrested, Joapara Pitma Uruma, down the Kinachel. Ugonyu Gio Yor, Darius Awuyo, Assistant Superintendent of Police, release these people. They have no sin they have committed. Their only crime was to go and prepare for a prayer to the God that Iwahaburua actually repented to on Saturday. I call upon all the political leaders of Acholi sub-region to rise up. Political leaders, my Acholi sub-region, you malo ko beru tiana Acholi da. We're job bar bit mage magane ki gonjo wa. Bitu za nywa ite kwene, abe ite kwene. Okin pipi ite kwene, omere ite kwene. Huh? Okin oriemi ite kwene. Hila roneke ite kwene. Ute kwene wunu. Gi gonjo ene wa balgi mo pere, balgi dia cheli ken yupolega ene balgi. Nga yangi geokelega. Huh? The motto of Uganda is for God of my country. How do you arrest someone who is praying to the God that protects the sovereign nation of Uganda? Release them. Release them. Gonge waha balgi peke. Kadong nil yubalega berubal. Uluru check me Uganda weng. Uluru. Uluru waha. Release the 15. You arrested. In Acholi, we had never seen such kind of behavior of arrest and abduction. Now you've brought it. Do you know what you're trying to do? You're planting a bad seed in us. Actually, you're planting a very bad seed in us. Actually, a very bad seed. So, His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, command your boys to release the 15 they have arrested. Innocently arrested, just because they are praying to the God you are praying to, apologizing to, repenting to. Let them be released immediately. We are not begging. We want them released immediately, without any count on them. We want them released immediately. Immediately. Immediately.